Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Notebooklm to write scripts. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to start building a new notebook for your script writing workflow. This is where Notebooklm can help organize source material and generate useful content ideas based on what you provide. Next, copy the sample writing scripts link from your resources. This link will serve as the source material you want Notebooklm to reference. Make sure you copy the full link correctly so the platform can read and import it without issues. After that, look to the top right area of the screen and find the Create New option. This is the starting point for setting up a fresh notebook. When you see it, go ahead and click Create New to open a new workspace. Once the new notebook opens, paste the link into the source field. This tells Notebooklm what material to use as the basis for your project. After pasting the link, click the arrow forward button to continue. At this point, the platform will begin processing the source and preparing suggestions based on the content you added. If it takes a moment, that's normal. When the link has been entered and processed, a suggestion will appear. Click on the suggestion that best fits what you want to create. This step is important because it helps guide Notebooklm toward the most useful output for your script writing needs. Take a second to read the suggestion before selecting it, so you choose the one that aligns best with your intended result. If you want to work with audio-related content, move to the top right area and click Audio Overview. This section can help you review or shape content in a format that's useful for spoken delivery, which is especially helpful when preparing narration or voiceover material. From there, click on Slide Deck. This can help structure your content visually and organize the main points in a clean presentation-style format. It's a useful way to review the flow of your material and make sure the script is logically arranged. Finally, click Video Overview. This allows you to move into a format that supports video-focused content planning, helping connect your script ideas to a broader video structure. And that's the process for using Notebooklm to write scripts. By bringing in a source link, choosing the right suggestion, and exploring the audio, slide, and video overview tools, you can create a smoother and more organized script development workflow.